Do you have mushy peas? Yes. Do you make your own mushy peas? Of course, doesn't everybody? I'm gonna get the pudding.
Chippy Tour.
Right, okay, we got a bit of a funny one here because just across the road, you might just be able to catch it on the camera. I'll take some video of it in a minute. But that's the Nelson. It's a pub. If you order fish and chips in one side, in the bar, they'll make it on this side, take it through, and I think it works out. I was told it was about £1 for a fish supper, more expensive to eat in the pub than it was just to get your takeaway. So that's value, isn't it? Plus you can have a beer on the other side. And it's popular, it's heaving in there. It's more of an extended kitchen than it is a chippy, I think. But there's a pleasant lady behind the counter there. So we got a barm cake. We've got their fish, which I'm getting straight into first. I'll tie this to here. Everything's gonna blow away. And I just had to get up here, but the road was closed as usual. Whenever you want to go anywhere, everything's shut down. God, it's windy. Everything's shut down. This road here had lay-bys on the other side there, according to Google Maps and Google Earth, but within no time at all, it looks like that's all changed. So I ended up going down basically the wrong way. So I'm hoping that I didn't get any ticket for that. We're in the car park for range. So Sue's gone into the shop there to purchase a little something, and so that we can actually park here because it's for customers. So the first thing we got here is we've got their cod. The cod is quite nice. Like I say, we could have sat and eaten in the pub, got ourselves a drink. We might go over there in a bit and get a drink actually. So one thing I can say is the packaging, cardboard and paper. I love that. I'm not, hey, okay. The chips look okay. Actually, that one then was absolutely delicious. I asked the young lady behind there, it's all smiles, she was. Do you have mushy peas? Yes. Do you make your own mushy peas? Of course, doesn't everybody? Everybody should, shouldn't they? So that was quite a surprise. She was surprised that not everyone made their own mushy peas. And yeah, she couldn't believe it. I appreciate time isn't always there. That's my steak pudding. I'm gonna get the pudding. The pudding goes on top. These are often referred to as another steak pudding, but Baby's Yed in some places. Baby's Yed. And this tin on top, that's the hat of the baby's head. So it's Baby's Yed with tat on. Oh, it's all stuck inside. How about that? Now I love this with chips. It's, you know, especially on a cold, windy day like this. And you can just get stuck right in, mash it all into your chips. And it's a suet pastry. Oh, delicious. And it's steamed. Well, you mix that in with a couple of chips. And you've got yourself a really hearty meal. So I'm going to put that fish to one side. I'm going to check out these peas that they make themselves. It's busy around here. Here's my wife now. She's got a bag. Oh, she's got a lampshade by the looks of it. How do they look? Oh, look. Look. Spot on. Absolutely delicious. Oh, how nice are they? So I'm going to now put them on top of the steak pudding.
I just heard you saying it.
Go for it, see what you think.
Lovely fish and chips! You're doing a good job there.
Yeah, there's some characters around here. We've got a bread balm, bun, bread cake, whatever. Look at this. It's pure stodge. I say stodge, it's wholesome food. Of course you can have a chip.
Thank you.
If you don't mind having a chip off there.
Yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah?
Thank you. Is this the YouTube?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
Hi YouTube.
For you too, come on.
Come on, Emily. Right, YouTube.
See you later. Right, let's look at some of these reviews. 1 star. Never going back again. The small chips are like small kid size. Maybe 50 grams of chips for £2.50. The paper container weighed half the food. Very disappointing. 5 star. Good. Enjoyed my fish dinner. Big smiley face there. 45 minutes wait like, but it was so worth it. Actually, that plate of food looks very nice. Mine. 3 star. It's a great idea. A chippy attached to a pub where you can order in the pub and receive a meal cooked in the chippy. I do believe there is a small table charge, which I'm told includes the plate service, cutlery and condiments, which is great and is based on just a little added to the food items, not as a separate charge. We chose takeaway, and on entering the chippy it was clean and tidy with polite and friendly staff. I ordered the cod, chips, mushy peas and steak pudding. The steak pudding was bought in, as most places do, and it was delicious. The mushy peas were made in-house and were just as I like them, thick and subtly seasoned. The fish and chips were not the best, with both holding onto a little oil and appearing quite pale. And the cod batter was a letdown. It was overly moist and floppy, although the cod itself was quite tasty. Overall, the food was slightly below average, but the service was great, and the option to dine in the town centre pub is a strong idea that I would like to return to try again at some point. Cooking in oil, payment cash or card, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.
Oh, na na na, it's the Chippy Tour. Cruising the coast, can't ignore. With every bite, I'm loving it more. Saving the chippies, that's what I'm for. Yo, I hit the road, got salt in my veins. From London to Scotland through sunshine.